Let's try to add 2 units. I haven't done it, but let's try actor 2. Let's see what happens. Okay, so do we have 2 characters? Yes, I do. And the second one is actually positioned at 0, 0, 0. And why is that? Initial title. Okay, so because okay, I see. Unit 1 set position. Yes, so this guy can go here and turn this way, sure. And this guy can go this way and turn this way. Now I'm ready to fight. So how do I do that? So when stage is initialized, and when unit is added, I will call the stage to like start wait turn count, right? That's interesting. Now I'm making tactical RPG. It's exciting. So start wait turn function. So everything that I have done is just the preparation. Now I'm creating a start. Wait turn. First I should get all the units. Or units in stage. For each console log unit. Let's start with that. What's the wait turn? Wait turn. So unit, where is it? Unit wait turn 4.73, this 3.96. That's good. Now what I'm going to do, so it should actually be like decrease every tick, and any unit that reaches to below 0 of the wait turn should get a chance to move and attack. Let's do that. So what I'm gonna do is maybe find the character with the least number of the wait turn and subtract that number from everyone, and let that unit move. Am I going to attach that to the tick? Now let's handle it with the JavaScript. Let next, well, it's pretty much like find next unit is a const. Find next unit, and let next unit, and initialize for each unit. if next unit wait turn is this unit wait turn. No, let's call pilot. Let's not do anything like that, please. Next unit is a unit. Console log next unit. And find next unit. Cool. So find next unit. So next unit is found. Next unit is actually who now, because he has less equipment. Let next unit, then next unit should have the focus. And what is focus? Focus is void. Pretty much whatever, you know, when clicking this character happens is the focus. So let's go to unit component and see what I can copy from. A box click, add event listener click should actually trigger just focus. So whatever this unit focus, and let's define the focus here. Event is not passed. Do we use event? No. Stage unit on focus, this unit ID. So that focusing should trigger the stage effect. So it's more like not in where's focus? Yeah, focus unit, and it should take unit ID. That means I should make focus on unit a stage function, isn't it? So let's go to stage and okay, so let's bring that thing back. What was it? Yeah, stage. Okay, so not just unit, but focus on unit. Yeah. So stage unit. So it's this. Yes, ID. This find pass. Unit. Pass is stage pass. Oh, I will say this pass. Pass for each pass. Document get element by ID. Tile ID. Path. So attribute true. So clicking instead of unit focus, stage focus was the on unit, and this unit and stage. So okay, so and units didn't really change anything. Now that means it should automatically focus on the first unit that has the least wait turn. Focus on unit and next unit, like this ID, not this ID but unit ID, right? Find next unit should return next unit. I didn't return it, maybe that's why. Console log. Next unit is passed. So found 27 pass. That's cool. So stage.ts find pass is called, and 27 paths are found, correct? So element is not found. Maybe path is found, or paths are found, but then the DOM is not ready, isn't it? So start wait turn should await for the scene, maybe. What happens if I set the timeout for it and await like 5? Then you think the DOM is ready? Yeah, it is. It's being highlighted. Okay. Bingo. Now I think I'm gonna just finish for now, but yes, I was able to set the wait turn for the character based on character's parameters, and the system was able to find who is the next character in charge on the turn and highlight the areas that he can move. Now it's time to decide, if the character even wants to move or not. So we should display the command and then let the player to select sort of stuff, but that's next time. All right, thanks. We made a good progress today. All right, thank you. Bye.